What's up guys? Ngayong araw muli niyo ako samahan na mag-react dito sa cover song ng banda Mission Souls. Ito yung kanta ng ABBA, The Winner Takes It All. Ayan, napakagandang classic song nito guys. Congrats nga pala sa banda Mission Souls dahil naka 1 million views na itong cover song na to. Ayan, napaka-astig nitong cover na to guys. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react. Napaka-smooth nung intro ni Naces ng piano. Ang ganda ng tunog. Sa mga nakakaalam guys, anong taon ba sumikat to? Itong kanta ng ABBA. Comment nyo lang guys sa ating comment section.
I don't wanna talk about things we've gone through, though it's hurting me. Now it's history. I've played all my cards.
Ganda talaga ng boses ni Stacy. Talagang manang-mana kay Mami Sheena.
And that's what you've done too. Nothing more to say. No more race to play. The winner takes it all. The loser standing small.
Ayan, pumasok na yung bass ni Daddy Second. Kanina yung ano lang keyboard at yung electric guitar ni Stacy. Yun lang yung tumutunog kanina.
Beside the victory, that's a destiny. I was in your arms.
Swabe nung pasok ng drums ni Ice.
Thinking I belong there. I figured it made sense. Building me a fence. Building me a home. Thinking I'd be strong.
Tunog disco yung kanta na to, no?
There, but I was a fool, playing by the rules.
Nakakaindak yung tunog ng bass guitar ni Daddy Second. Ganda nung tempo.
The gods made their own dice, their minds as cold as ice, and someone way down here loses someone dear. The winner takes it all. The loser has to fall.
Ganda ng boses ni Naces at ni Nisha. Ang galing nila talaga mag-back up.
It's simple and it's plain. Why should I complain? Tell me, does she kiss like I used to kiss you? Does it feel the same?
Sa mga hindi nakakalam, si Ice kumakanta rin yan guys. Meron silang cover song ng pamaskong kanta. Yun, hanapin nyo lang guys sa kanilang channel. Doon makikita nyo, maririnig nyo kung paano kumanta si Ice.
When she calls your name, somewhere deep inside, you must know I miss you. But what can I say? Rules must be obeyed. The judges will decide.
Ilan bang members ng ABBA? And sa mga nakakalam guys, i-comment nyo lang sa mga umiidolo sa grupong ABBA.
The lights of me abide, spectators of the show, always stay in line. The game is on again.
Dito ako bilib sa banda Mission Souls eh. Mapa bago, mapa classic na kanta eh talagang wala silang inuurungan. Lahat talaga eh kayang-kaya nilang gawa ng cover.
A big thing or a small, the way that takes it all. I don't wanna talk if it makes you feel sad, and I understand you've come to shake my hand.
Si Stacy, mararamdaman mo talaga yung emosyon niya pagka kumakanta. Hindi lang basta yung kumakanta lang siya, talaga mararamdaman mo, may puso talaga.
I apologize if it makes you feel bad, seeing me so tense, no self-confidence. Just see the way that takes it all.
Napaka-genius din ng gawa ng areglo nitong kanta ng ABBA, no?
The way that takes it all. So the winner takes it all, and the loser.
Napaka-quality ng tunog nila dito, guys. Talagang malupit na mixing engineer si Daddy Second. Planchado lahat ng tunog.
Has to fall through the dice, cold as ice, way down here. Someone here takes it all, has to fall.
Husay talaga ni Nacy sa piano. Tunog classic din yung kanyang keyboard.
Yes, it's plain. Why complain?
Ayun meron palang edit sa studio si Nacy sa keyboard. Nasa maliit na screen. Grabe yun, isa na namang malupit na performance ang ating natunghayan sa bandang Mission Souls. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo, guys? Siyempre mag-subscribe na kayo sa kanilang channel para mapanood nyo rin yung mga iba pa nilang cover song. At ganun din sa ating munting channel para suportahan nyo naman ako. At gumawa pa tayo, makagawa pa tayo ng maraming content kagaya nito. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.